This is the TATUFY LED strip lights. This particular set is 10 meters or approximately 33 feet. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is an instruction manual for the lights themselves, for the infrared controller, the infrared controller itself, two sets of strip lights. Each one of these is 5 meters or approximately 16 feet or so, 16 and a half feet, and your power supply with a standard US plug and barrel jack connector. There's also some additional connectors here, double stick tape pads, and the remote itself, and that's a big remote. Okay, I have the lights all hooked up. Everything simply plugs together. There's nothing special that you need to know or do. The only thing is you have to plug this in with the right connection. One of them is marked there. Basically, if you plug it in the wrong way, no harm done. Just take it out, flip it over 180 degrees, and reinsert it. Over here is the IR receiver. We'll hit the power button, and the lights will light up. Also, I just want to point out there is adhesive on the back. That's that red that you see there. That's the backing on it that you just peel off, and then you can stick it to whatever surface you want. Now the remote has many different colors here. So let's just go through these colors quickly, and then it has some other fancy modes that I'll show you. So there are 20 solid colors that we can go through here. You can also adjust the brightness of it. As you see, I can lower that down. Of course, the camera will automatically adjust for this and back up bright as such like that. And here's some of the other kind of flashy modes. Kind of has a nice effect like that. Here's another effect. And yet another. Here's another one. Another effect. And one last one. Now these effects here can be done in a quick mode as such, or in a slower mode as such like that. And there's a bunch of different buttons on here that you can play with. You can set up your own and do all kinds of crazy stuff with this. So it's a pretty neat set. Please bear in mind two things. First of all, this set is for indoor use only. It is not waterproof. Generally, the way you can tell is the waterproof ones will have some sort of rubberized coating over it. If you can actually feel the bumps of the LEDs, like this one, it's just meant for indoor use, great for under a cabinet or something like that. And you can also cut these lights. I'll turn them off for a second here. And if you look over here, you can cut it right over there. Every 3 LEDs, there's a place where you can just cut the strip to make it the exact length that you need. Another feature worth mentioning is these lights have a memory, whereas they will remember the last state they were in and come back that way. Right now it's on red. Just for fun, we'll set it to blue. So there we are there. And now if I go ahead and unplug it, of course they go out. But when I go and plug it back in, not only do they come back on, but they come back on in blue right where they were. So that's a nice feature as well. So a very nice set of LED strip lights from TATUFY. If you'd like to purchase this set, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.